Hey, what's up guys? John here from Warrior Fitness. In this video on squat alignment, I want to talk about the internal rotation and the external rotation on the hips. Okay, more specifically, as you know, the hip is a ball and socket joint, right? So the femoral head kind of, inserts and it rotates. So what we want to do in our squat is take advantage of that rotation so we can increase our mobility. Okay, so if you pick up one leg and you think about internal rotation, right? If you turn from the hip, this is internal rotation, this is external rotation, right? So internal, external, pretty simple. However, when you plant the feet on the ground, now how do you make that rotate? Okay, what you need to do is visualize to actualize, all right? So think about the ball and socket joint in the hip and think about how it turns, all right? So the femoral head inserts and it turns in that joint. What I want you to do is use your hands to kind of simulate the turning of that ball and socket joint. So you're going to start and you're going to be in full external rotation. So everything has turned out. Now when I go to lower, think about this internal rotation happening in the hips. So this internal rotation, internal rotation, internal rotation, internal rotation, internal rotation, until you get down, and then it starts again, external rotate, 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 rotate. Okay, full external rotation. So the idea is to use, rather than just this up and down, we're going to make the squat a little bit more three-dimensional, but internally, okay? So you're going to have this rotation happening within your squat, and it's going to really help your mobility as well as help you to develop power in other things, which we'll talk about later, okay? But first, you got to get this. So use your hands and think about, obviously you cannot see what's going on. So I want you to use your hands. Think about opening up to full external rotation. All right, so all of this opens. And then as you sink, this internal rotation is the driver to lower yourself into the squat, okay? So here, full external rotation. Internal, internal, rotate, 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 rotate. And then again, to full external rotation. Okay, give that a shot. Questions, post them below.